Okay, I have two equations that have an x and a y. Well, the method what we're going to use is elimination. And elimination allows us to get rid of one of the variables. And in this case, we're going to get rid of the y's. So, if I have a positive 3y and I have a negative 3y, those two are going to cancel each other out when I go to combine these two equations. So what I'm trying to do is put these x's together with these x's. So 2x's up here and 3x's here is 5x's. Well, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 5 and the 10 and I'm going to have 15. So I'm going to solve it just like I would a one-step equation. I'm going to divide both sides by 5 and my x is equal to 3. Well, now that I know that my x is equal to 3, I can take it back in and I can plug it into my one of my original equations to find out what y is equal to. So I'm going to rewrite this equation up here as 2x plus 3y equals 5. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3 and I'm going to plug it in up here for x. So I will now have 2 times 3 plus 3y equals 5. So 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3y equals 5. Now I have to get y by itself. I'm still trying to get the variable alone. So in order to do that, I'm going to minus 6 from both sides. These cancel out, so I have 3y is equal to negative 1. Now I divide both sides by 3, and y equals negative 1/3. Okay, so once I use elimination to solve for my x, I use substitution and substitute in the x to solve for my y.